afternoon, my dear students. Today we'll go to the question number 8. We have to already finish yesterday 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then today onwards we'll go to the question number 8. 8 is what should be given. Find the surface A. Find the sum of first 51 terms of the AB. हामीले के निकाल्नु पर्ने. Find the sum of how much find the sum of sum is Sn. Question number how much? Question number 8. Sum of the 51 terms of the AB is how much? Question is tell us that. Then n value is how much? 51 we know. जति टर्म भनेको छ त्यो चाहिँ कसको हो त भन्दाखेरि n को भ्यालु हो. Whose second term, second and third terms are. क्वेशनले के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि whose second term is how much? 14 and third term is how much? 18 respectively is given. Then अब हामीले कहाँबाट सुरु गर्नु भन्दाखेरि है we have to start from a2. a2 is equal to a2 is equal to how much? a2 is equal to 14. Then a2 formula is a plus d is equal to 14, equation 1. And second is a3 value. Third term is how much? 18. Third term formula a plus 2d is equal to 18. Now we'll get the question A, equation number 2. Then after that we have to solve question number 1 and question number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2 we can get अब हामीले कसलाई सल्भ गर्नु. We have to solve question number 1 and equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 1 a plus d is equal to 14, equation 1, and second equation is a plus 2d is equal to 18, equation number 2. Then after that we have to change their sign. Minus this one is cancelled. Then minus 2d plus d is minus 1d or d. Then 18 minus greater sign is the minus 18 or 14 subtract करता कति हुन्छ 4 minus cancel. Then we will got the value of d is how much? 4. Then after that substitute the value of d is equal to how much? 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 मा के गर्नु पुट गर्नु. पुट गर्दाखेरि equation 1 मा a plus d is equal to 14 छ. a plus d value is 4 is equal to 14. a is equal to 14 minus 4. a equal to how much? 10. We got value of a and d. a value is 10 and d value is how much? d की value कति पाए त भन्दाखेरि 4 पायो. र then after that we got the value of a and d. हामीले कसको भ्यालु पायो? a र d को भ्यालु पायो. n को भ्यालु पनि छ. Then we have to find out the again sum of the 51 term. S51 is equal to question mark. Then Sn formula is n by 2 bracket start to a plus n minus 1 into d is our Sn formula. Then sum of the 51 term is equal to n value is 51 by 2 bracket start 2 into a value 10 plus n is 51 minus 1 into d value how much? 4. Then हम 2 ले 51 लाई cancel हुँदैन. We have to write a 51 by 2 as it is. 2 into 10 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50. 50 into 4. Now then after that 51 by 2 bracket 20 plus 54 ja 200 Now then again we have to add हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो एड गर्नु पर्यो 51/2 into 200 plus कति त 20 220 भयो and 2 ले 220 लाई काट्दा क्यान्सल गर्दा 110 हुन्छ and then after that we have to multiply 51 into 110 then we'll got हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो multiply simply 11 1 जा 11 carry 1 11 5 to 55 plus 1 56 एउटा 0 छ एउटा 0 छ then their sum will be a 515610 is our final result in such a way we have to do this question then after that we'll go to the question number it is now complete it is completed then we'll go to the question number 9 अब question number 9 मा के दिएको छ question number 9 what should be given on there firstly you have to learn the question and whatever question is tell us that you have to study firstly then after that you have to discuss if the sum of first 7 term upon AP is 49 if the sum question is tell the first sentence tell that if the sum of first 7 term upon AP is 49 that means question number 9 sum of the 7 term upon AP is 49 question ले भन्दैछ and then whose second and third terms are and that of 17 term is 289 sorry and that of भनेको अब त्यस्तै गरेर सम अफ द 70 अघि जसरी 7 टर्म को सम 49 भयो त्यस्तै गरेर 17 टर्म को सम चाहिँ कति हुन्छ रे भन्दैछ क्वेशनले 17 टर्म भनेको हैन देयर सम अफ द 17 टर्म इज 289 क्वेशन फाइन्ड द सम अफ द फर्स्ट एन्ड टर्म त्यसैले सम एसएन चाहिँ कति हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशन यदि n को भ्यालु n भयो भने त्यसको सम चाहिँ कति हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशनले सोधेको फर्स्ट अब हामीले कहाँ जानु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि सम फर्स्ट यहाँबाट S7 को फर्मुला त्यसैले सल्युसन देन Sn formula is n/2 bracket start 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close is equal to 49 then n value is 7 7/2 bracket start 2a plus n means 7 minus 1 d is not so given is equal to 49 then now 7/2 bracket start 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d is equal to 49 त्यसैले अब 2 ले के गर्नु 49 लाई इन्टु गर्नु फर्स्टमा 7 bracket start 2a plus 6b into 49 into 2 then अब यो 7 ले यसलाई के गर्छ डिभाइड गर्नुपर्छ नेक्स्ट स्टेपमा अगाडि छ भने 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2 divided by 7 यो 7 कहाँ जान्छ डिभाइड मा then 7 49 then after that our equation is become 2a plus 6d is equal to how much 7 2 ja 14 it is our equation 1 यहाँबाट equation 1 बनिन्छ then after that we will have to go up sum of the 17 term is 289 then again Sn is equal to 289 is given Sn formula is n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 289 then n value in a second case is 17/2 now bracket start 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d value not so given then 289 then 17/2 bracket start 2a plus how much 16d bracket close is equal to 289 अब अघि है सेम है अघि जसरी गरेको थियो त्यसरी गर्नु पर्यो 17 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into how much? 12. We have to write. Then after that 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 divided by 17. अब त्यसो भए अब 17 ले 289 ले क्यान्सल हुन्छ 17 how much? 289 17 जा 289 र त्यसो भए अब लास्ट है 2a plus 16d is equal to कति 34 is our second equation. Second equation is 34. Then after that we have to solve equation 1 and 2 and then find the value of a and d. हामीले कसको भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्छ a र d को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्छ. Now solve again solving equation 1 and 2 we can get value of equation 1 is 2a plus 16 is equal to 14 equation 1. Second equation is 2a plus 16d is equal to 34 equation number 2. Then after that here is minus, we have to change the sign and plus 2a minus 2a cancel. Greater sign is a minus 16 minus 6 is 10d equal to greater sign is minus. Then 34 minus 14 is 20. Then minus minus is a cancel. D is equal to 20 by 2. Now D is equal to how much? 2. 2 10 जा sorry 2 का sorry यहाँ पर दिखा 10 10 2 जा 20. D value we got a value of D is how much? है हामीले D को value कति पायो त 2 पायो. That D value हामीले कहाँ पुटिङ गर्नु त इक्वेसन 1 or इक्वेसन 2 है तिमीलाई जहाँ सजिलो हुन्छ त्यहाँ के गर्नु तिमीले लगाउनु. र then now I have to putting the value of D is equal to how much? 2 in equation 1. इक्वेसन 1 मा कति दिएको छ भन्दा कति छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो 2a plus 6d is equal to 14 is given. Then 2a plus 6 into 8 2 6 into 2 is equal to 14. 2a plus 6 to the 12 is equal to 14. 2a equal to 14 minus 12. 2a is equal to 2. Then a is equal to 2 by 2. A is equal to how much? 1. Then we got the value of A and D. A र कसको भ्यालु पायो D को भ्यालु पायो हामीले A को भ्यालु पनि पायो and D को भ्यालु also we got. Then after that in last question is tell us that find the sum of the first n terms of the AB. Then Sn is equal to how much? Then Sn formula Sn is equal to n by 2 again 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then n को ठाउँमा कति छ भन्दाखेरि n को भ्यालु कति हो n नै हो. Then n by 2 as it is you have to write n को ठाउँमा n नै हो केही लेख्नु परेन. 2 into a भ्यालु जो 1 plus n भ्यालु छैन n minus 1 n minus 1 as it is into d value is कति हो त 2 हो. Then n by 2 brackets are 2 1s are 2 plus now we have to remove a bracket 2n minus 2. Then at last n by 2 bracket start and we have to combine plus 2 n minus 2 is a cancel. Then we will got 2n. Now n by 2 into 2n. Now n and is a cancel. Sorry, 2 is a cancel. Sorry, 2 is a cancel. 2 and the 2. Then n multiply n into n. Last we will got n into n. And we got the sum of the first n term is how much? N square. It is our final result. This question is important. Is some confusion and it will ask in the 3 marks or 4 marks in some time. Then after that we'll go to question number 10. Question number 10. 2 question is given on there. Question number 10. There are 2 questions on there. Question number 10. And question number 10 now, अब के दिएको छ, first you have to learn. So that first term, second term, third term, and an term. An common AP where an is defined as below. Then this will be हामीले first term, second term, third term. That is the number of term is given. And then question number 1 is tell us that an is equal to how much? 3 plus 4 n. त्यसैले अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि firstly a1 a2 a3 and we have to find out the firstly ap. Then this way let us consider n is equal to 1. हामीले के गर्नु यहाँ किन n को भ्यालु 1 गरौँ भन्दाखेरि a1 a2 a3 छ, that is n is equal to 1 2 3 भनेको यहाँ. त्यसैले अब a1 that is the first term, n को भ्यालु 1 लाउँदाखेरि a1 भयो भने 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. It is our first term भन्ने कुरा बुझाउँछ. Then after that let n is equal to 2. n को ठाउँमा कति लगाउनु? 2 लगाउनु, that is a2. a2 is equal to कति? 3 plus 4n. फेरि यसैमा लगाउनु यसमा 3 plus 4n यही. त्यसैले अब 3 plus 4 into 2, 3 plus 8, कति त? 11. We will got a value of first term and second term. No need to go find out the third term. त्यसैले अब हामीले के गर्नु? फर्स्ट टर्म र सेकेन्ड टर्म भयो भने their common difference that is d is equal to our formula a2 minus a1. a2 is 11 minus 7, that is 4. Their difference is कति आयो त? 4. र क्वेशनले लास्टमा के भन्छ हामीले के गर्यो? AP we have to find out the AP and their common difference also, and also find the sum of the first 15 terms of the each and every one. Question number 1 मा पनि, question number 2 मा पनि कसको सम निकाल्नु पर्यो त? 15th term को सम. त्यसैले अब 1 is not so completed now. Again n is equal to how much given? 15 given. Then we have to find out the Sn is equal to how much? Sn कति हुन्छ? त्यसैले S15 is equal to n by 2 bracket start up to a plus n minus 1 into d is our formula. Then n is equal to 15 by 2 bracket start to a means कति हो त भन्दाखेरि 7. 2 into 7 first term plus n means कति हो त? 15 minus 1 into d value is कति हो त? हाम्रो डिफरेन्स कति छ त? 4 छ. Then 15 by 2 bracket start 2 7 the 14 plus 50 minus 1 is 14 into 4. 15 by 2 bracket start 14 plus, now 14 for the 4 the sorry 16, carry 1 4 1 the 4 1 5, that is the 56 plus 14. Then 15 by 2 into, now we have to add 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 5 plus 1 6 1 is 70. Then 2 ले 70 लाई कति पल्ट क्यान्सल हुन्छ? 35 35. Now we have to multiply 15 into 35. 15 into 35. Then अब के गर्नु 35 र को मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु 15 5 5 जा 25 carry 2 5 to the 15 plus 2 17 1 5 जा 5 1 3 जा 3 5 2 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 that is a 525 is their a sum of the kati term the terms. Then now we'll go to the question number 2. 10 को 1 completed. We'll go to the 10 को कति मा त second part मा. अब second मा चाहिँ कति दिएको रहेछ भन्दाखेरि in second how much given that is an is equal to how much given 9 minus 5n. अघिको जस्तै गरेर हामीले के गर्नु we have to find out the AP. Let n is equal to 1 we have to consider n को ठाउँमा 1 then a1 भयो. a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1 9 minus 5 that is the 4 is our value of the first term. Now then after that we have to find again n is equal to how much we have to put 2 त्यसै भए अब a2 भयो किन n को ठाउँमा 2 लाउँदाखेरि a2 भयो. a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2 then 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1 the second term. Then common difference is equal to our formula is a2 minus a1. Then a2 value is how much minus 1 minus 4 then sign is minus but number is the plus. Their difference is how much minus 5 भयो. First term भयो second term भयो. No need to find out the other term third terms. Directly we have to find out the common difference. That is a2 minus a1 that is minus 1 minus 4 that is the minus 5. र अब हामीले के गर्नु भन्दाखेरि के निकाल्नु sum of the कति टर्म को फेरि यसमा पनि 15 टर्म्स को सम कति निकाल्नु रे त sum of the 15 term. Now sum of the 15 term in this case is how much? Then S15 is equal to formula n by 2 bracket start 2a plus n minus 1 into b is our formula. N means 15. 15 by 2 2 into a value is how much of 4. A value कति त 4 plus n means 15. 15 minus 1 into d means कति त value of d is कति त minus 5. Then 15 by 2 bracket start 2 4 is 8 plus 14 into minus 5. Now 15 by 2 bracket start 8 minus 15 8 14 14 5 5 4 20 7 5 plus 2 is 7 that is 70. Then 15 by 2 into greater sign is a minus 70 minus e कति त 62. 8 is 62. Then we have to cancel 2 ले 2 3 जा 6 2 1 जा 2 then 15 into how much minus 31 है. अब हामीले दुईटालाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने 15 1 जा 15 15 1 जा 15 carry 1 15 3 is 45 plus 1 is 46. This one is our result a minus 465. This much for our today.